Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. Listen, if you're a teacher, you already know the holidays at school are a special kind of crazy and chaotic. You've got Spirit Week, random assemblies, kids hyped up on candy bars, and we're just trying to get through the lessons, get through the day, and make it to winter break in one piece. So today, I'm going to be building a teacher survival kit, the ultimate teacher survival kit. Adorable, practical, and cute, so you can survive December without losing your holiday cheer.
I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
Let's start with self-care because listen, December has me fighting for my life. Okay, we're only a few days in and I'm already struggling. These are the little things that save your day when you've been talking for 6 hours straight or sneeze for the 47th time because the classroom heat is dry. So we have some mini tissues because apparently now I have indoor allergies and it's cold and flu season. Lip balm because my lips have to stay moisturized. You know, emergency because you already know it's cold and flu season. Gotta keep that immune system strong because teachers do not get sick days in December. We just get stronger. In the winter cold, gotta have a nice lotion. Ever since I've had aligners, I'm always getting stuff in my teeth and it's hard to get out because my teeth are closer together now. So flossers were something that I wanted to keep, and I especially wanted to get this because there's a case and I'm gonna keep this case and refill it. This quick little first aid kit because you never know when you need a Band-Aid, okay? You never know when you need it. Staples, paper cuts, it happens. But also for your health, hand sanitizer, keep this on deck. Have one in my purse, one in my car, one in every room in my house. So next is for energy because December students are energized, very energized. And I think it's a good thing because I love the holiday cheer. They're just in better spirits, in a better mood. I'm not mad about it, but I have to keep up with them. I have these electrolyte and energy packets. Electrolytes to make sure I'm getting extra hydration because the winter is dry and sometimes I'm just working so much and talking so much, I forget to drink water. So definitely want a hydration multiplier. And then energy when I'm tired from Vlogmas and teaching and momming and wifing. I have these energy packets with caffeine in them, just in case the tea or coffee that I drink that day is not enough. All right, gotta keep a snack handy. So I have these granola bars. These are so good. For some reason, when I'm teaching, I get hungrier. I snack a lot. And then also these Velveeta breakfast bars definitely come in clutch when you don't want to eat a full meal or don't have time, but you still need some sustenance. Then you have to keep your breath fresh because you're talking to people, people are in your face. So I have these breath strips as well as some gum. But if you like mints or anything, definitely add that. You could also keep a little bit of mouthwash. And then also when you need to just relax and chill, a variety of teas, vanilla chai black tea, chamomile, and then we have Irish breakfast. The chamomile is definitely good for the end of the day to wind down, and I also have this blush tea. Oh, also, I forgot, a little stash of holiday chocolate. So I love these even when it's not the holidays, but they're red and green to add that festive flair. These keep me from snapping during 4th block because they are the hypest. So teachers know when December hits, school supplies go missing. You can't find a pen, a pencil, an eraser, a dry erase marker. Things just start to disappear. So you gotta keep a little stash. I got these fun holiday scented pens or markers to grade, and it also has a stamp on the side. As for me, I cannot live without a sticky note. So I'm gonna keep some in here. Not because I need extra because they get missing, but I love sticky notes to write notes on, to write reminders, to write lists, jot down ideas, and then I could just stick them anywhere. So keep these. Then also some mini lint rollers. Just, y'all know I'm fly. So I gotta keep the fit on point. You never know if you're eating, snacking, running out the house too fast and you got some lint. And also, no one tells you how much glitter is involved during the holidays. So you never know how much you'll be wearing when Spirit Week comes around. So you gotta make sure you have something to get it off of you. So some other items that I have this holiday scented candle because it just sets the mood in the room, it sets the tone, it reminds you that it's the holidays, and it keeps the student funk at bay. I have some hot chocolate packets. It's a surprise flavor. I think this is a salted caramel ones I had. Also some fun holiday stickers to put on students' work or just to give to them to have fun. We all know how hectic the holidays can be, and it has happened to me a few times in my life. I've run out the house without putting on deodorant. So I grabbed this one. It is a limited edition scent. It is toasted almond and brown sugar. So that goes with the holiday vibes. And just in case I forget to put on deodorant when I leave, I know I have a backup. And then some cozy socks. So I didn't buy any new cozy socks because I knew I already had some. So sometimes in class, my feet get cold. I do have a heater in here, but I want to take my shoes off. So I'll have some socks. I'm gonna keep these. I also have more in that bin there. When I'm on my planning, I like to take my shoes off. And also, to get a little more festive during the holidays, I got some vinyl stickers that I'm gonna use to decorate my water cup. So I didn't want to buy a holiday water bottle because I always keep this on me, and it already looks like a gift anyway because I keep this bow straw topper. So I'm gonna add these cute Hello Kitty vinyl stickers to my water bottle. So that's all the cute stuff. It just makes your classroom feel cozy and festive, and they make your soul feel like you might actually make it to December 19th. All right, so I just got this simple little bag from Dollar Tree, y'all. And most of this stuff I got from Dollar Tree or things that I already had around my house, and anything that I didn't have for the kids, I just picked it up from the store. And Dollar Tree is a good way to go. Also Walmart, very inexpensive, and you can put this together for 20 to 30 bucks if you have to buy everything, and even less if you only have to buy a few items. All right, so let's pack our survival kit. And you all, this is the teacher survival kit all packed up. Even if you aren't a teacher, this is a great gift idea for a teacher friend or anybody that works in education or face-to-face with children or students when we're just trying to make it to winter break. This is perfect. I'm gonna keep this one in my classroom, in my desk, so I know this is always there, because if I take it back and forth, I'm gonna forget it. Or if you wanna put it in a smaller tote and put it in your work bag or your purse that you bring every day, that's perfect too. That's it, y'all. Everything packed into a cute little mini tote, and boom, it's done. The perfect teacher holiday survival kit. Affordable, adorable, and absolutely necessary. If you make your own kit, please let me know and drop down in the comments below if there's anything that you would add to this kit, and I want to see it. Let me know. And if you're a teacher counting down the days until break like me, stay strong. Holiday break is coming. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12.